Hi, I'm Michael Kula, the Vice President of Sales at Avalon. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to learn more about our company. I've been with the company since we first began operations in 2002. I remember when we first started. My colleagues and I rented some office space, purchased a few used desks, a couple of computers, and hung our logo on the door. We began with a few customers who are still our clients today. Over the years, we have grown, and I've been fortunate to help build a team of dedicated and extremely talented individuals who make up our company. Our culture is focused on accountability, always doing the right thing, and service to our clients. We get calls daily from clients looking for guidance on topics such as, I'm having a hard time tracking my inventory. I have an issue with losing product. I'm trying to become more efficient. Or, how should I label my product or warehouse racking? Today, clients have lots of options. They're under tight timelines and live in a world where doing more with less is the norm. I stress to our team that you must listen and ask the appropriate questions in order to provide the right solution. The details count. Let me tell you about one of the many examples where the details mattered. I was doing an introductory sales presentation for a small manufacturing client that was implementing a new ERP system. This was a big undertaking and expense for their organization, and they were asking me for a mobile computer that was capable of running a Windows operating system now, and then later wanted to convert it to an Android operating system. There were several options available, and our competitor was ready to sell my client any one of these, but I asked more questions. After I listened and understood more fully, I pointed out that before they made the investment of over $50,000, they needed to understand that although the mobile computer that they were going to buy was capable of running Windows, once converted to Android, that version of Android was going to be out of support. Essentially, they had no upgrade path for the future. By listening and asking questions instead of just trying to make a new sale, we were able to work out a solution where the client could rent Windows devices for a short period of time until their Android application was ready. Then they were able to purchase the current generation technology that's expected to last them for the next 7 years. A huge savings for our client and an excellent example of how our team at Avalon seeks to understand so that we can provide a solution tailored to each client's needs. I'm very excited for what the future holds. We're positioned to help our clients with the next wave of technologies like robotics, smart glasses, and other AI-based solutions. I encourage you to go through our website to get a better understanding of our solution offerings, and please give us a call. We would love to be of assistance. Thanks.